Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing just like a mini Sephora haul for you guys. My birthday just passed last week and I got a couple Sephora gift cards. So of course I had to restock on some things and then just get some other things. So I wanted to share with you guys just some of the stuff that I got. If you like hauls and stuff like that, anything to do with makeup, self-tanner, fashion, anything girly, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Do not miss out. You get 3 videos a week, so you really do not want to be missing out on that. Make sure to hit the bell button as well so you're notified every time I post. But yeah, if you want to see my little Sephora haul, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, like I said, I had money to blow this week, so I definitely restocked on some stuff and I just got some stuff that I've been wanting to try as well. So I'm just going to share with you what I got, and then maybe I can share pricing and stuff with you guys too, because I have the order pretty much pulled up on Sephora right now, and then it'll also all be linked in the description box in case you are interested in getting any of these things. But basically, I'm not going to go in any kind of order. I'm just going to grab whatever I see first. First product that I got, this one is actually mine, so this is an old one, but I got my mom one of these and I already gave it to her, so I don't have it in here. But this is the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez Brow Harmony Precision Eyebrow Pencil. This goes for 19 bucks. This is the best brow pencil that I have ever tried, you guys. Like, I used to be ride or die for the Benefit brow pencils, but this just blows everything out of the water. Just like the weight of this, how thin it is, how it feels in your hand, how it applies on your eyebrows. The little spoolie on the other end is like top quality. Just everything about this I am absolutely obsessed with. So you better believe I had to get one for my mom too, so she could try it for herself, because she said she was needing a new eyebrow pencil. So I was like, wait a minute, you have to try this. And I did a whole video reviewing this product on its own for you guys. So if you want like an in-depth review and like a demo of this, then go check that out. It's on my channel. Another reason to subscribe. But yeah, this is the best eyebrow pencil. I cannot get enough of it, so I had to throw that in there. And then next up in our little haul, Patrick Ta. I actually just filmed a video trying this out, so I did open it up and try it already. That video just went up on my channel earlier this week, so go check that out as well. This is amazing, you guys. Like, I'm so happy I bought it, and it was like the perfect time to get it too, because I had some gift cards, so I didn't feel as bad spending the 70 bucks on it. It is 70 bucks, so it is a splurge, but it is so worth it. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. It's a little bit of a messy kind of eye look, but it is amazing, you guys. Like, the quality of the eyeshadows is just like, it's unlike anything else. Like, nobody does it like Patrick Ta does it. And I feel like I had like a select few eyeshadow brands that I used to be obsessed with, but I swear to God, nothing compares to the Patrick Ta eyeshadows. So I just, when I saw that this came out, I had to get my hands on it. So this was really perfect timing. And this is one that I definitely see myself using for my wedding makeup look. I had mentioned earlier that I am like on the hunt for just like products to use for my wedding day, and I really need to start practicing some looks. So I am going to be playing with this a lot to test out just different eye looks for my wedding, and I'm just obsessed. Like, this is amazing. So that is another thing I got. Next up, a beauty blender, because you can never have enough of these. I feel like I was long overdue to get a new beauty blender, so I need to do like a little clean out of the ones that I have right now. They're definitely too old to be in my drawers right now, and they all need to be thrown away. So I got a new one. so I can do some fresh, clean makeup, which was also a good reminder that it is time for me to wash my makeup brushes. I'm also long overdue for that. So this goes for $20. There is nothing like the original Beauty Blender. I've tried so many other sponges and a lot of them are good, but nothing is as good as this. Like nothing applies my makeup on my face better than the original Beauty Blender does. So I will always be stocked on this. I will always have one in my collection. I will never be without it because when in doubt, you use this and you know you're gonna have a good makeup day. So I had to restock on that. And then next up, I got the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. So this is supposed to remove makeup, sunscreen, and debris. I actually, the first time I got this, I hated what it did for my skin. Like for some reason I thought it was breaking me out or something. And then I like stopped using it for a long time. And then I tried it again and I fell in love with it. Like nothing takes my makeup off the way that this does. It is amazing. It does not break me out. It actually made my skin better, if anything. And I'll like do this and then I'll do another cleanser and then I'll do like my skincare products, and this has just totally changed my skincare game. And I just feel like this is probably a lot better and a lot gentler on your face than like makeup wipes, because I was using just like wipes on my face to take my makeup off, and I feel like that can be kind of harsh and probably not the best for your skin. So I really feel like this just changed everything for me. I have not used a makeup wipe since I started back up on using this, and it's just unlike anything else. Like now I love the consistency. I love what it does for my skin. Again, it takes your makeup off so well, including mascara. And this, it is pricey. It goes for $49 and I got the 5-ounce one. It's 5.1 ounces. Worth every penny, you guys. Just Dermalogica in general is worth every penny. That's like my ride or die skincare brand because everything is just so good and everything actually works. So I had to restock on that because I just ran out of my other bottle. And then next up we have another Dermalogica product. You can see I took full advantage of having gift cards for my birthday to restock on these expensive Dermalogica skincare products, but they're gonna last me a long time. A little goes a long way with these, so they really do last you a long time, and they're very much worth the money. So this was the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. I actually have another one of these that is fairly full, but I ran out of my smaller one. I keep one on just like my bathroom counter, and then I keep one in the shower. So I'll like cleanse my face when I'm in the shower, and then I cleanse my face the other part of the day that I'm not showered. So I do this twice a day, and it is just amazing, you guys. Like this one is so just, it's a gentle foaming cleanser, and it really is. Like it's very gentle on your skin. It's not abrasive or anything like that. It just feels really good. Also does a really good job of taking your makeup off and any other product that you have on your face. And every time I use this, my face just feels very clean, which is exactly what you want out of a cleanser. So this really does the job. And I just love it. I've been using this for years and years at this point, and nothing has even come close to how much I love this stuff. Like this, I just know is gonna do what I need it to do for my skin without like all the extra stuff, you know? Like it's just a gentle cleanser that removes what you need it to remove. Your skin feels and looks very clean afterwards, and I just love it. I have it in like I said, I had the travel size too, and I ran out of that one. So I'm probably gonna like fill this into there and then use the rest as well. But they have so many different sizes of this. So they have like travel sizes, they have like ginormous ones that you can get too. And this one goes for $42 for the 8.4 ounce. So it is a little bit up there, but I'm telling you guys, it is so beyond worth it. So I had to get another one of those. And then the last thing that I got was the travel size of the Valentino Donna Born in Roma Eau de Parfum. I have another travel size of this. I feel like I'm kind of done getting like full sizes of perfumes. I feel like these travel sizes are so much more convenient, and I just love them. Like I could throw this in my purse whenever I'm going somewhere. It's so easy to travel with. Like I could just bring it everywhere with me if I feel like I want like another little spritz of perfume. I just love the travel sizes. So I wanted to get another one of these. I keep the other one in like my little like cute purse backpack that I carry around everywhere, so it's always in my bag, but I wanted one that I could keep like on my desk, or if I want to like throw it in another purse, if I'm bringing a different purse out somewhere, then I don't have to take it out of the other one. So I had to, but this is amazing, you guys. Like the smell of this is unlike any other perfume I've ever had. I've never gotten as many compliments on my smell as I get when I wear this. Like it is just such like a, it's like sweet, but like sultry at the same time. I don't even know how to explain what this is, but it is amazing. Like I was ride or die for YSL Black Opium and YSL Mon Paris. This blows them out of the water. Like this is so amazing, and it is beautiful, you guys. Let me show you what the actual packaging looks like. It's like these little studs, but it's pink and black, and it says Valentino. Like this is just so beautiful. Like I feel really cool just pulling this out of my purse, and it's a sprayer, so you just spritz yourself whenever, throw it back in your purse, and you have it on you. If your friend thinks you smell amazing and they want some, pull it out of your purse and spray them with it too. It's just so convenient. It's so beautiful. It smells amazing. So I had to get another one of those, and that is it for my little haul. I think that was like 6 things. Things have definitely gotten more expensive, so I'm very glad that I had some gift cards from my loved ones for my birthday so that I could restock on some of these things and then try that new eyeshadow palette. So very exciting, but that is all for my haul. That's all I've got for today. So comment and let me know what you guys think about what I got. If you've tried these products, let me know what you think. Let me know what other videos you guys want from me. Give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.